So after welding this up the other day, I have to remove it from this bracket and this motor, and do some more welding on it. What do I have to do here? This seam here I need to weld. Take this bracket off here, remove this from this bracket so I can weld in these tight spaces here, back in here. Just give myself a little bit more movement and play. All right, so after removing it from my main bracket here, need to give me some more space and be able to move this around a little easier to get into these welds. I have to do this here, this here, fill in these screw holes. Just make sure all my welds are good all around. Weld this little piece up here. See you when it's done. All right, now that we're fully welded out, my next step is to get this into our bracket, make sure everything fits up well. And then we'll be good to go.